Facebook ads with AI. So friends, today in this course we are going to teach you how you can give access to someone of your Facebook page, or suppose if you need to get the access from someone, right, then how you can get access from them. And if you need to remove someone from the admin access, then how will you be able to do that? So I will teach you everything today. Now tell me why these ads are important. So ads run on the Facebook page, right? And many times what happens is that you ask an agency, please run our ads. As you know, we are a digital marketing agency and we also run Facebook ads for our clients. So in that case, we do not log into their Facebook account. We don't ask their username and password. We just ask them to give us the admin access or give us manager access. So with that, we can access your page and we can also run the ads on your page and manage other activities. Means basically we can do everything. And when the client's work is done or when our contract is over, then the client can remove the access. So there's no risk involved in this, right? Now, if you want to give access to someone or if you want to remove someone, I'll teach you both the process. Follow these steps and you will be able to do it. So if you are getting work from someone, right? Or if you have to give work to someone, then you can grant access like this. Your account will be safe. And I'll also tell you what you have to give and what not, so that there's no mistake. So now you can see my Facebook account is open on my computer screen. So from my profile first, I will log into my Facebook page. Is that clear? Now here's my Facebook page. As you can see, it's showing Marketing Fundas Official. We've created these new Facebook and Insta accounts just to teach you, so that we can explain you. And we'll teach you from beginner to advanced level in this course. So here we need to come to settings. In settings, we need to come here to page setup. In page setup, there's an option for page access. Okay, and here you can see that I have already given access to one person. And now I'll show you how to give access to a new person, then I'll show you how to remove them. So here we'll click on add new and then we'll click next. And here we'll enter the email ID or name. It's someone who is connected with you on Facebook, means the person you're giving access should be your friend. So here I'll type the name. See, Meghna Gupta has appeared in search, so I have selected her. Now here friends, if you want to give access for content, messages, calls, community activity, ads and insights, then you can click on give access. But see, it's showing allow this person to have full control. So here, it can give the admin access to someone or maybe remove anyone from your Facebook page and they can delete the page. So don't give this full control access to anyone, even if it is an agency. Even if it's the employee from your team who is working for you, or if someone you completely trust, that's a different matter, but your business depends on this. So keep the main authority with you. Now if we give this access, still they can do everything. Like they can manage content, right? And they can manage our ads. They can see our insights and everything, right? So here we'll not give full control and admin access, we'll give manager access. So we'll click on give access. Here now we need to enter the password of our Facebook account, right? We will enter our Facebook account password so that it can be verified that yes, it's really us. Means we have the authority. So that's why we are removing them, all right? So now I'll enter that password here. So now you can see here that over here, I have sent the invitation to Meghna Gupta, right? Now suppose that if she does not accept my invitation within the time span of 31 days, right? Then it will expire here and I'll have to send it again. If she accepts my invitation, it means she can manage my ads, my account, all these things, and she can manage my Facebook page as well. And it's that simple and easy. Okay, so let's refresh once and see if she has accepted my account access or not. I mean my invitation or not, right? So let's refresh it. Now as you can see that Meghna has accepted the invitation that we have sent. So that pending notification here has disappeared. Now she can manage my Facebook page, run the ads for me, and she can do all the other things as well. Okay? And suppose whenever I need to remove someone, right? Now let's say here's a person. I had given access to this person. Now I need to remove them. So I can also change in the change access level. If the level of access is high, then I can lower it as well. Otherwise, if I just want to remove access, I'll go here and click on remove access. Again, I'll enter my password and confirm. So here I have removed the access I had granted in just 1 second. And the page owner access, all of that remains with me, as you can see here. So in this way, you can manage the Facebook page access and give it to anyone in your friend list. And you can get access from someone, or you can even remove someone. It is that simple. I hope you have understood it well. Thank you.